Hi guys, in this video I will show you step by step how to enable screen recording on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Swipe down. There is no round screen recording icon here. We should add this icon in settings. Step 2. Swipe up. Go to settings, control center. Find the screen recording and click on plus. We have added the icon we need. Swipe up, swipe down. Step 3. Now there is a round screen recording icon here. Click on it. 3, 2, 1, and screen recording started. This red timer in the upper corner of the screen means that the recording is now in progress. Step 4. If you want to stop recording, click on the red timer and stop. Step 5. To view the recorded video, go to Photos. Here is our video. Step 6. If you want to record the screen and your voice from the microphone, hold down the round icon on the screen recording and microphone on. Now your voice will be recorded during screen recording. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.